Hi, welcome to the Crops Kids Club. This is
Stuff with Sam.
and today we're going to be learning about tornadoes. Now, I'm going to interview Samuel, and he's going to answer. Where do tornadoes form?
Anywhere, anytime.
Okay. Where are the most tornadoes?
Tornado Alley. And Tornado Alley is right here.
This red
Can you see that?
No, can you tell us?
From the top of Texas to
Nebraska.
Nebraska.
How do tornadoes form?
Cold air and hot air meet together and slam together, and then
Become unstable.
I forgot what the word was.
Unstable?
Unstable, and then there's this big wind and it spins, makes it spin, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Then it's unstoppable.
So cold air comes down, hot air comes up, they smack together,
Then they
become
form.
unstable, and then there's a strong wind. Good.
It usually only lasts about 10 minutes, so.
And for an here's an example.
You can turn it up.
Well, this is an F1. They don't have the lowest one is an F0, and it's 40 to 70 miles per hour.
Let's turn it up.
And this is a F1.
Nope.
Yeah, this is an
That
F1.
one is.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought you were turning it.
But you can turn it up to a F5 if you want.
And F5 is 260 to 318 miles per hour.
And the stuff floating around is called debris.
And here's some sound effects.
You can buy this machine at Toys R Us or Amazon or Hobby Lobby, or it might be in.
You can buy the machine. It's called a Discovery Kids at Amazon or Toys R Us. It comes in a box like this.
It's a tornado lab.
You can buy it at Toys R Us or Amazon.
Okay. What is the
Got
difference? What is the difference between tornado watch and tornado warning?
Tornado watch is keep a lookout.
The tornado warning?
Tornado warning is do it right now.
What are some safety tips to do in a tornado?
The word duck stands for something. The D stands for down low, and the U stands for under something, I think. Yeah, it's under something.
See?
And the C stands for center of the room. And the K stands for keep away from windows.
Yep. And that's safety tips for if there's ever a tornado. Hopefully it's not an F5.
Yeah.
Maybe an F0. But those can still take out people. But I hope you had fun learning about tornadoes.
Never stop learning.
Never stop learning. Have fun. Bye.